Today we're going to test out these dry sweeping cloths with our Swiffer. This pack comes with 64 cloths, so if they work, we'll be set for a very long time. Let's go ahead and open it up so we can see what it looks like and then we can test it out. This package is actually vacuum sealed. So let's go ahead and take one out and then open it up. This cloth actually looks very similar to the Swiffer brand of cloths. In fact, we'll lay this one down onto the table and then we'll show you what the Swiffer brand looks like. This one has horizontal lines going across and actually feels pretty much the same as the Swiffer brand. And here's the Swiffer brand. The pattern is different in that the Swiffer cloth has a diamond pattern instead of lines. But both are the same size and they seem to be of identical thickness too. But the question is whether it will perform just as well as the Swiffer brand of cloths. So let's go ahead and try one out. We'll just insert the ends of the cloth into the tabs of our Swiffer. Our floor hasn't been mopped or swept in about a week, so I expect to capture a lot of dust, hair, and other particles. The cloth does slide very smoothly onto the floor. So far, there doesn't seem to be any difference between this cloth and the Swiffer brand. And now let's take a look at the bottom of the cloth. Wow, look how dirty that cloth is. I would say this cloth did an excellent job.